Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
So tonight we are going to unbox this item that we bought from our ex-colleague, and we'll do an honest review on how it works. Um, it says on the box, or what's inside the box. It includes antimicrobial Coppermask film, 1 piece, 10 pieces reusable non-woven filter, 2 pieces seal sticker, 8 pieces colored Coppermask logo, 2 pieces elastic string, the air loops, and it says here it's good for 30 days. So let's see. I can't wait to open this.
The box itself is very sealed.
It comes with, what you call this?
Um, Seal.
A pouch. It comes with a safety pouch. So what's inside the safety pouch? It has a manual. There you go.
And the stickers.
That's 8 pieces stickers. So this one is the antimicrobial Coppermask film.
Yes. And the colors we choose is black and white. So you can never go wrong with black and white.
I already have 5 pieces.
White.
5 pieces reusable non-woven filter, white, and 5 pieces black.
Yes. And that's it. So tomorrow tomorrow we will be trying this out, and we'll film our experience or how it feels like wearing these, if it's comfortable or not. So yeah, watch out for tomorrow's video.
So tomorrow we're going to try this, and we'll document how the experience and how it feels compared to other regular masks and the KN95 and the regular surgical mask.
Yep.
Okay, let's try to assemble one.
Okay.
everyone.
Welcome back.
Alright, so we've used the Coppermask the entire day. We've used both indoor and outdoor. And here's our honest review of the item. So there's pros and there's cons. First is the pros. First is lightweight. Like, feels like nothing's there. Second is it's fashionably recommended. It looks fashionably gorgeous or awesome, especially when you are at the mall. Third is adjustable ear loops. It's very convenient and dili siya sakit sa ear compared to other masks. Fourth is you can easily breathe since naa siya opening diri para dili ka maglisod o ginhawa. And fifth is for people wearing glasses, dili siya mag-fog, dili siya maka-affect ang imuhang breathe sa lenses imong glasses. So that's for the pros, and she will give a review of the cons.
For the cons, we can cite two disadvantage. So first is it will build up moisture here around your mouth and chin. So
Cheek.
cheek. Sorry. So it will build up here, and then it is really noticeable. Like nagi siya moisture. And then the second is since there's a hole here at the bottom, like that, you cannot 100% guarantee that you are safe from the virus. So yeah, that's it.
Okay, so this is an honest review. It's obviously unbiased. So if you have other items or that you want us to review, just comment down below, subscribe, share, and
Hit the notification bell and the like button.
alright, see you in your next adventure, next review. A peace.